1 minute and 20 seconds left. Come on, y'all got this. I believe. I'm a horrible influence. Help Aqua Zero, you got this.
Yeah, I'm trying to at the same time as not dying.
He's farming for kills? Yeah, that guy is farming for kills.
Oh, fuck! God damn it, dude! Oh, there's multiple of them. Because of course there is. Why won't you leave me alone, you fucking cockshiner? Ah! Dude, like, the thing that just, like, got me is, like, that dude's clearly good at this fucking game, and he decided to be a dick about it instead.
Bro, like, why do you have to be such an asshole? I'm distracting him.
That's
nope,
fine.
Never mind, no, I'm not.
Yeah, we can just, we'll just murder him. We'll just report him.
Yeah, Aqua, you got this.
I don't got this. Thank you. Sorry, I keep crying again. I'm not sad. I'm not sad. It's just,
Overwhelmed.
yeah. I don't even know how to react anymore. I don't like emotions. They're gross.
Like, I feel like, you know, he doesn't, but it's like, it's almost like he has the fucking Shadow Step and also the Feather Fall, and it's kind of fucking annoying. There's so much fucking damage. Are you kidding me? I don't get how he does that much damage.
He just kept. He had so many resources, and I'm surprised that I was able to like stay alive so long.
I'm reporting him after this, I am.
I am too, because he's just trolling at this point, being an asshole.
How do we report him? Can we not? I'm gonna write his name down and I'm actually gonna like email the actual like thing like, hey, you need to fix this in a minute or so.
Yeah, I already have it.
I'm getting hit, 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 I'm getting murdered, I'm getting murdered, I got murdered. Oh god, Major's getting murdered too. Oh, we're getting exiled. I'm gonna get exiled. Goodbye, Zero. Oh, Major got exiled.
I didn't. I'm
No?
still moving.
Oh.
I'm running away.
Oh.
But Zero's gonna get smacked.
Oh, I'm gonna die in 5 seconds. Goodbye, Zero. Goodbye, Major.
Like, I know he's good at the game, I can admit that. But like, fuck that guy for playing like that, just because he's good at the game. I mean, it gave me something to strive for, but like, that I think is only one of the most irritating games that's played ever. Like,
It was irritating for me too.
oh yeah, I'm
like,
sure, because you were the one actually doing it. Like, I just had to watch it happen. Like, because I just kept seeing him teabag behind you when you didn't know who the fuck he was, and I'm just like, this is so fucking stupid. Like, who does that?
Somebody else is dropping their hat into the rain. Hey, people are behind you, by the way. Ow, I died.
I'll come. They got me with stone needed.
God damn, I'm horrible at this. Trying to get to safety. Help Aqua Zero, you got this.
Yeah, I'm trying to at the same time as not dying. Damn it. I tried.
Damn, this guy's a solo and he's just crapping on us. Wow, this guy is mean.
Yeah.
Get away from our Aqua. My god, why is this guy just doing this?
I'm reporting him after this, I am.
I am too, because he's just trolling at this point, being an asshole. He's farming for kills? Yeah, that guy is farming for kills.
Head inwards. The spell storm is moving.
Bro, like, why do you have to be such an asshole? Yeah, Aqua, you got this.
I don't got this. Thank you. Sorry, I keep crying again. I'm not sad. I'm not sad. It's just,
Overwhelmed.
yeah, I don't even know how to react anymore. I don't like emotions. They're gross. Ah! Major, you okay? Oh, I got...
No, I'm pissed.
You
That's
hurt
an
me!
asshole.
You killed me, Major!
Oh. Killed him! Fuck you, buddy!
Alright,
Oh, it's not the same guy! God dang it! God dang it.
just start heading my way and just keep going down until Zero's able to, like,
Wow.
save us. Thank you, Steaky. Thank you, Globy. Thank you, Kittiness. Like, I don't understand why, but I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you for the cow.
Run away, run away, run away.
God dang it. Thank you. Oh, am
Oh,
I
no.
getting disrupted?
Oh, it's this guy's the one who was doing it.
Yep.
It wasn't that guy that we
Yeah,
killed.
no, that's why I backed off.
Keep an eye on the storm.
I got about 20 seconds left before I can, revive.
I'm distracting him.
That's
nope,
fine.
Never mind. No, I'm not.
Yeah, we can just, we'll just murder him. We'll just report him. What was his name?
Wolf something.
Warble.
Warwolf? Okay.
Yeah, 'cause my screen has all the the deaths on the side.
Hmm. Are we all dead, or is someone alive? Major, you're still alive.
Yeah, I'm trying to get away. This guy, but he keeps following me.
Just use your arrow. Thank you, Lion. It's not that I'm unhappy, Lion. I'm stunned.
You're a fucking asshole. He didn't even kill me. It was a
Looks
different
like my
guy.
Training is in order.
If he uses arrow, the guy can use it too. Wait, what? Is that a thing? How do we report people? In 5 minutes, done like in World of Warcraft, basically, yeah. How do we report him? Can we not? Oh, we can't block him though. Wait, what? Oh, they need to fix this. How do I block a player? You can only block recent team. Yeah.
That is dumb.
That's annoying.
What? Yo, Spellbreaker, fix this.
Aqua deserves the world. Yes.
Stop. I'm not. That's really weird. Wait. I'm gonna write his name down and I'm actually gonna like email the actual like thing. Like, hey, you need to fix this. Will they listen to me? Probably not. Was it just Warwolf or was it something else? It was just Warwolf, right?
Yeah, it was just Warwolf.
Okay. That's really weird.
Honestly, you could probably go back in your VOD and find the actual name.
Oh, that's true. I could do that. I gotta remember.
I think he was on Steam too, so I
Okay.
think you could block him on Steam.
Oh, that would be great. Lion wrote it down. Thank you, Lion.
Yeah, Lion wrote it down in chat.
Okay.